validation practical, we have to create GUI for username and email, and there are two text boxes for username and Gmail. If username and Gmail both are correct format, then here submit button is enabled, otherwise submit button is disabled. Okay, so what is GUI of this? See here, open with Firefox. See here John and here gmail.com, these both are the correct, that's why here submit button is enabled. But if one is incorrect, one is empty, then submit button is disabled. Okay, same here, Gmail is incorrect, then it will show the error. Okay, so this is our practical. So now let's understand code. So first write this code in a simple notepad and save file with the .html extensions, like save as, and with the .html. Okay, .html, and select here all files. Simple. Okay, now see here, we using online uh, Angular JS framework, that's why here this line https ajax google apis.com ajax libs angular js 1.6.9 and angular.min.js. This is our online Angular JS framework support. Okay, so that's why we have to write this the line link in the src attributes. Okay, so no need to download framework, you can use it online. Now here validation example heading, now ng.app my app, then ng.controller validate control, then form name is my form, then here this text box for input type text, name user, ng dot dash model user, and required. This is required means what, this field must be required. Next, this span tag is used to write error message, and the error message is the red format, so color red. Then ng dot dash show my form the user dot dirty, if that username is not correct and username is invalid, then color is red, span color is red. And here span shows the error required, username is required. This is my error message. Now for email there is a input type email, ng model email required. Now same here, color is red. Same here, email is dirty format and email is invalid, then color is red, and it will show the message email is required or email is invalid. Okay, now after that, see input type submit. For submit button, see submit button ng that disable equal to my form dot user dot dirty, means here input name, username and email both are invalid or empty or vice versa, then here is the or condition, means anyone, then here submit button is disabled, otherwise submit button is enabled. Now at the end, where app is angular dot module my app, then controller validate control, and here scope dot user, this is the starting value. So here scope variable scope dot user, user means what, here username. Okay, and here scope dot email, this email means what, this is the email, name is email. Okay, so scope variable refers to the name of that control. So this is our practical. Then save file and run with simple Firefox or Mozilla, open with. So yeah, at the starting there is no error, and so submit query is button is enabled if this but the user is required, and here this is wrong format, then invalid email address, and here submit button is disabled. So this is our practical. Thank you so much.